Filming with this
I like filming with this tripod, dude.
I like filming with this.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
You know what, Dan? You're going to land your trick and the tripod's going to be in the opposite direction.
I kind of like copying people when they say something. It's just so mean and not, it's like not even an insult.
You like copying people when they say something?
I like using a trap. Alright, now I can't even take this video serious because I feel like you're going to copy me. But, alright, what's up, everyone? What is up? What is up? I'm asking you a question. Answer me. Put it in the comments. What is up? What are you doing right now? Right now, today, what are you doing? What is something interesting that happened today? Leave it in the comments or get out. Just go. Alright, I'm going to do a blizzard flip. Everyone's been pressuring me. Hurry up, hurry up. So I'm going to try to hit this trick quick. I think I can. I tried one.
Hurry up! Wow! Great!
I'm in a hurry.
He got the moves!
Break dancing.
He got the move. You know, Glow did some break dancing this week. Oh, no, you were here for
What's that guy's name on Instagram that makes the edits of breakdancing? Skating, sugar, salt, poppy, frog. Someone makes edits. Every time someone falls, he makes it into an edit.
Little kickflip nose slide right there.
I'm about to hit this pop. I'm about to hit the badanger. I gotta pop it more than that. Ring ding dong.
Wow!
I blew a tire.
Dan, you got a pop, brother.
I know.
Come on, man.
That was crazy. I feel like I've been skating long enough now, or like I've been skating enough to where I can sense like where to put my feet to make the board do it right.
I mean, how long have you been skating?
Long time, I don't know. Oh! That was it. We count that? I'll run it back cleaner. I'll run it back cleaner. Oh! We run it back cleaner? Run it back cleaner, okay.
Nice.
I think if I pop harder, I'll do the whole thing.
You got to pop, Dan.
Oh, I thought that was going through.
What am I doing? Am I stopping? I think I'm stopping. That one got all the way around, I think. That was it?
Insane. Right before I even...
That was so good.
We're still going. We still going. We still going.
Wow.
Woo.
You
All
are
right.
ice cold, Dan.
Well, I wanted to do the whole thing there, kind of pivoted. It's all right. I tried to go fast. How long was that?
That was 15 minutes.
15 minutes, backside 360 blizzard flip. I'm cold just thinking about it. All right, well, thanks for watching. Maybe leave in the comments below what trick you want me to do next time. Last few tricks have been some bangers. Hard flip back lip. I did the badang blizzard flip. Let me know what else tricks I should do, what other tricks I should do. Follow me on Instagram, Woozy Walker, Globe Order, Gabe Cruz 01. Check out my new merch. Hope you like that. We'll see you next time. Be safe out there. Tell your neighbor you love them. Tell your grandma it's your birthday. She won't.